This is the main reason I bought a mortising machine. I was putting these mortises in, and I cut these with a drill press. I mean, they came out pretty good. But boy, what a pain in the ass. And that is the reason that I bought this. So we're jumping back in time, and here is while I'm assembling this. And I just want to say, the assembly manual and owner's manual that came with this does not match this machine. Missing parts. It's showing parts that aren't there, and then there are parts that are there. This is a Chinese machine from a company called Vevor. I think a lot of these machines are made in the same factory, or at least to the same specifications. So it's kind of a puzzle to put it together. So okay, so I bought the Vevor mortising machine, and it arrived last night. I had some video of the unboxing, but geez, I've lost it somehow. Anyway, let's talk about this machine real quick. I've made 4 mortises in my life. I used my drill press. I made 3/4 by 2 inch mortises for a project I'm doing, but I plan on making a trestle table. And I did these sawhorses, these trestle sawhorses, just to get proficient at doing mortises, which I'm not. But anyway, for $225, I thought it would be worth buying a mortising machine. So let's look at this real quick. So this looks an awful lot like the Rikon, and I wished I had have spent a little more money and got the cross slider mortising vise that these machines have. This is not a real good system, but it does make mortises, and I didn't have to spend $600 or $1,000. I'm into this $225. So I'm going to try it out. If it doesn't work, I'm not hurt too bad, and it's a pretty interesting machine. There are a few parts, I don't know what they are, and I can't find anything online or in the book that even shows them. So I don't know, but it seems to be working. So I'm still trying to figure out what some of these pieces are. This is the a guard. I will probably remove that. There's these covers that cover up access to the chuck. That isn't going to work. I don't want to take these off every time I need to access the chuck. Okay, so what we're doing is squaring the mortise chisel to the fence. I've got that locked down. So in the assembly instructions, this shows a tool holder. You've probably seen it on some other mortisers like this. It didn't come with that tool holder. There's not even screw holes where the tool holder should be mounted. One more complaint I have on this machine is every adjustment is done with a set screw, which is an Allen screw. You need an Allen wrench to adjust everything except, let's see, a few of the adjustments on the fence. Most of them are still Allen screws. That's kind of a pain in the ass. Okay, so I am trying to put a 3/4 inch mortise in a tapered 6-inch board, and it's pretty difficult. I'm using a wedge to put in there, and but it turns out I had to take a chisel and clean it up at the end of this. But this machine is better than nothing, and I think it will do the job. I don't do mortises every day, and if I did, I would buy a more expensive machine. So if you made it this far, I want to thank you. Also, do I think this mortiser is worth the money? Yes, I do. I think for $225 it'll do the job. You should not expect too much. Also, as much as I do mortises, I think this will be a good addition to the shop. And again, thank you for watching, and we shall see you further on down the trail. Thanks a lot, guys.